What's up everyone, 3D Print 747 here, back again with another video. We're going side by side, the A1 Mini versus the P1S. I started these prints within 3 seconds of each other in the slicer. Had to open a second window because you can't have a second bed and have a different plate or a printer, so that was kind of strange. But so yeah, these have been going for a little bit now, and I want to see if they finish together, and we want to take a look and see the quality and see if they look identical. I'm not expecting anything dramatic, but we will see. We have the TIE Fighter here going on, and we have the exact same TIE Fighter up here going on. Just wanted to do something quick and compare the two. So stay tuned, we'll be back in a little bit. Alright, so the print finished. Looks good, no issues that I can see. Here is the A1 Mini. Again, looks good, no issues that I can see. I'll pop these off the board. Oh, there is an issue. See that purge square for some reason in the back? I don't know why it's purging because I didn't use multicolor. But, see that? That went into the print. That's really weird. What the heck? Also, you can see green underneath that. So when I loaded the new white filament, it didn't purge the green enough. See that tint right there? Alright, I'm going to have to do some investigating and see what went on with this and why that happened. Stick around till the end, and please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Back in a bit. Alright, so I printed another one, and there is no purge block over here. I think what happened is I first sliced for the P1S, and then I opened a new window in Bamboo Slicer and changed it from a P1S to an A1 Mini, the printer, and maybe something carried over. I'm not really sure. This P1S doesn't have an AMS on it, obviously, so I don't know why there was even a purge tower. I opened both of these again, or the STL again on both printers, and don't see that when I slice it. I wasn't paying attention to the slice last night because it was a quick and easy slice, and I just sent it to the printer. But I'm not sure what happened. Comment down below if you've experienced the same kind of issue. I don't know why it did that, but yeah, it was kind of weird. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one.